Hello, friends. Welcome to our fun learning day. Are you ready to learn and play with us? Learning is fun when we do it together. Today, we will explore, think, and help each other. Wow, that sounds amazing, Professor Owl.
I wonder what happens when we try something new. When we try, we learn.
Oh, I like learning. Good job, Bruno. Trying is the first step to learning. Let's all try together. Look, we can learn faster when we help each other.
That's right, Pip. Teamwork makes learning fun.
Yay! Good job, friends!
Excellent teamwork, everyone. See you next time. Keep learning and keep smiling.